Say hey. She hey. She hey.
Hi everyone, so I am just simply showing you guys how I detangle my hair before I wash. So in this video I am going to give you guys my full wash day routine using the pattern collection. So basically all I do is I go in and spritz my hair with warm water. Now if my hair is very tangled, I will go in with warm water and conditioner, but today I'm just using warm water. After that, I just simply massage it in really good, and then I go in with my wide tooth comb. I start from the ends of my hair and slowly work my way up to comb out all of the knots and tangles, and that's pretty much it, you guys.
Okay, hello you guys. So, first and foremost, I know I look a little hit in this video. Bear with me, okay? I just finished working 12 hours. And so yes, I am a essential worker in this whole COVID-19 stuff or whatever you want to call it. I just finished working 12 hours. I'm taking care of my 6-month-old baby. I'm also in school and I also do YouTube. So your girl is tired, okay, as you can see on my face. So yes, I just finished drenching my hair in water. So now we are going to see what this shampoo is looking like. So yes, in the on the go kit I purchased the, well, it came with the hydration shampoo. I got all the tiny stuff. I was not about to pay $25 per product. The heavy conditioner for coilies and the leave-in conditioner, and of course she just came out with styling products. So I also got the stronghold gel, the mini one. Hopefully this is enough to suffice. So anyway, let's get started with this hydration shampoo. Now it says it is a luxurious oil boosted shampoo that gently lathers to cleanse hair and scalp, removing buildup without stripping away moisture. Okay. Okay. Gently cleanse and hydrate. Oh, okay. 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 It does not feel stripping thus far. Me and this trial size shampoo, we not gonna make it. We are not gonna make it. It is way too small for all of this hair, but it does feel good. It is not stripping my hair. And as you can see, my curls are starting to form. Like, that goes to show you that it's actually hydrating. But yeah, I'm about to go rinse this out. And I will be back to apply the conditioner. So I will see y'all in a bit. Okay, y'all. So I just finished rinsing out the shampoo. And I had high hopes for this shampoo. Like, I did. It's not bad, but it's not the best. I thought that it wasn't going to strip my hair, but it did. It did slightly. It's not like too bad, but it's not what I thought it was going to be. It still feels a little moisturized. It just felt so much better whenever it was on my hair. But as I was rinsing it out, I was like, wait a minute. What's happening? Wait a minute. It's just not as moisturizing as I thought. It just slightly stripped my hair. I don't know. I'm just not. I was rooting for that shampoo. It's okay. Like, the shampoo is okay. Is it bad? No. But is it the best? No. So anyways, let's just move on to the conditioner. And hopefully it'll help revive some of this dryness that I'm starting to feel. I don't know. Hopefully. So yeah. So I have the heavy conditioner for coilies, amplified hydration and nourishment. Okay. A smooth and buttery conditioner that delivers serious hydration, detangling slip, and lasting definition to coily and tightly textured hair types. Okay, so let's see what we're looking like. Okay, let's see. Oh, it is so thick. It is thick. Thick, thick, thick. Thick, 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 thick. Okay. Pine straw, maybe? Like a light hint of like pine? It's very light though. It's not loud. God, it's so thick. Okay. I don't even know if this stuff is absorbing in my hair. Like, I really don't. I feel like I definitely, like, I have to apply heat. What is in this? Like, whoo, child. Okay, so, oh my goodness. Yeah. I'm following the directions. I'm doing what it says do. Apply the wet hair, and I'll hopefully, once I get from under my hooded dryer, it will soften. Like, I know for a fact right now, if I was to try and run a brush through my hair, or even a wide tooth comb, like, I would really have to work. This stuff don't have no slip. Look at it. Like, there is no slip. Ain't no slip. Where? But maybe once I get from up under the dryer, it will be a different story. So we'll see how it goes. I will be back once I get from under the dryer, you guys. So I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so I have been sitting under the dryer for about 30 minutes, and wow. My hair doesn't feel bad. It doesn't. It doesn't feel that bad. I just feel like the product just didn't really penetrate my hair like I thought it would. My hair does feel soft. I will give it that. I'm gonna go rinse this out and I'll be back. Okay, so I just finished rinsing out my conditioner and my little baby woke up. Say hey, Titus. Ugh. Say hey. She hey. She hey. So I have him down here in my lap, and mommy duties. I have him down here in my lap, and he is gonna be chilling with mommy. So if you hear him down there, don't mind him. He just chilling and watching mommy do her thing. Moving on, I'm going to use the leave-in conditioner. But first, before I put that on, I'm just going to divide my hair into 4 sections. Okay, so now I'm just going to section off a small portion of my hair and see how well this leave-in conditioner does. So far, so good. So far, it feels good. I will say that. I'm just going to start at the ends and work my way up. Okay, the slip is pretty good. Yeah, it detangles fairly easily. So, okay, I'm satisfied with it. So I'm just going to show you guys how I plan on styling my hair. I'm just going to do 2-strand twists. And I'm going to bantu knot the ends. So the styler that I will be using is the Stronghold Gel. So I'm just going to 2-strand twist. my entire head with this gel and then to knot the end. Hi you guys, so it is the next day. I did not end up showing you guys how my twists look, but they're just basically your regular, you know, two strand twists with bantu knots on the end. As you guys can see, I've already started to take them down, and let me show y'all this definition. Definition, you guys. For those of you who don't really like cast, like that hardening effect on your twist out, then this gel is not for you, because it definitely has a cast to it. But you can definitely, you know, remove the cast by stretching oil in your hair. So just keep that in mind. So yeah, I'm just about to continue to take these twists down, and I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to actually style my hair once I untwist and separate. So this is how my hair is looking before I stretch it. As you guys can see, I get so much shrinkage. So basically I'm just going to go in and pick, and I'm also going to use the blow dryer to stretch out my roots, and I'm going to be back to show you guys how it looks.
Okay, you guys, so here I'm just going to show you how I basically use the tension method when it comes to stretching out my hair. Basically, all I do is I go in with my blow dryer, and after I have sectioned off, you know, smaller sections of my hair, and as you can see here, the difference in the two. But yeah, after I've sectioned off smaller sections, I just go in and mainly focus on the root, and I pull down with tension, and I apply heat, and my blow dryer is on medium heat, and as you can see, it gives my hair nice stretch.
So this is the blown out side versus the shrunken side, and as you can see, it has more volume and a tad bit more length to it. So yes, this is the side that I prefer. I like both sides, but I prefer this side. So this is after I blowed it out and picked it out. As you can see, my hair is very defined. Okay, so I'm basically going to do a recap of all of the products. When it came to the hydration shampoo, it wasn't really that hydrating to me. When I put it on my hair, it was hydrating and it did make my curls pop. But once I rinsed it off, it did slightly strip my hair. So yeah, I wasn't really a big fan of the shampoo. Also wasn't a big fan of the conditioner either. I felt like it just really wasn't penetrating my hair strands. It did help moisturize my hair after the shampoo, but it just wasn't as moisturizing as I needed it to be. And I just expected more from it, especially when I came from under the dryer. So I wasn't a fan of the conditioner either. When it came to the leave-in conditioner was okay. I preferably like thicker leave-ins. I feel like the leave-in was a tad bit too lightweight for my type 4 hair, but overall it was moisturizing and it did do a good job at detangling. But the star of the show, and as you guys can see, was of course, am I out of focus? The star of the show, as you can see, of course, is the Strong Hold Gel. Like this stuff, as you can see, it's worth it. It does have a small cast on it, which I like because I live in Louisiana and there's a lot of humidity, so my style is going to last. Overall, my hair feels okay. It doesn't feel as moisturized as I would like it to, but it does look good. Like, pattern did perform when it came to the styling and the gel and the leave-in. The leave-in and the gel were hands down the best products of the whole line that I bought. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and like always, don't forget to comment and subscribe. Until next time, y'all, bye.